Assalamualaikum and hi. This is chapter 6 air conditioning video part 5. So in this video I'm going to explain subtopic number 6, human comfort. Human comfort. Human comfort. So let's say there's a guy. How do we control his human comfort? If let's say there is a temperature, first a place where it is extremely hot and another place where it is extremely cold. So both of these places is not comfortable for human. And there is another place where we related to the humidity. Let's say there is a place where it is extremely humid, and there is also another place that is extremely dry. So if let's say this human stay in any of these location, so it will be not comfortable for him, and we also cannot change all these location. But however, we can put this guy in a room so we can control the environment in this room. So this room environment, it can be changed. Let's say it's too cold, we can give a fire, and if it's too dry, we can spray water. However, it is a lot easier if you have a air conditioning system where we can give a heat, also cold. You also can be giving a humidifying, so increase the humidity of the room, or we can put this dehumidifying system, so we can dehumidify the room. So if we can control these four, then we can gain or acquire the human comfort. Air conditioning, satisfying the need of the human body. So this is the same guy sitting in a room. So the normal human body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. So in this condition, uh, the heat will be from the body of the human will be transferred to the environment as waste heat. And the temperature difference, because we have a temperature difference, which is the delta T equal to T body minus the environment temperature. So the heat from the human will release to the environment if the temperature difference is temperature of the environment is lower than the temperature of the human. So let's say we have a cold place and this guy is sitting in the cold place. The temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So the heat transfer will be higher because the temperature change is extremely high, 37 to 0 degrees Celsius. So the heat loss from the body is higher compared to the heat generated by the body. So the temperature of the human will be or the environment will goes down extremely fast, and the human will be feel discomfort in the room. So in order to control this, we need to reduce the heat loss and increase the heat generated. And let's say this guy is sitting in a hot area where the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So the heat transfer will be lower because the temperature difference is close and the environment temperature is higher than the human body temperature. So in here, the heat loss less, is extremely small compared to heat generated. The heat generated is higher from the environment as for the human. So the human also will feel discomfort because the temperature of the body will goes higher, and you feel discomfort. So to control this, we need to increase the heat loss and reduce the heat generated. And for the cases of the humid place where relative humidity is extremely high, so in this case, the heat rejection through the evaporation is low because of this humidity is already saturated or almost saturated in the environment. So if this human stay in this environment too long, will the human will be sweating, prolonged sweating, and also feel discomfort, and the guy will be easily dehydrated in this environment. And let's say we goes into the dry area and relative humidity is extremely low, so the heat rejection through the evaporation is higher, so less sweating, so the guy also will be feeling discomfort in this environment. Air conditioning, human comfort. So as already explained in the four cases: hot, cold, humid, and also dry. So we know that the human release heat to the environment as a waste heat, and the temperature difference is the temperature of the body minus the temperature of the environment. Temperature of the body here is the temperature of the human. So this dissipate will lead to the, we need to control this dissipate comfortably, dissipate of the heat transfer comfortably. So if we can control this, we can acquire the human comfort. So we need to control the dry bulb temperature, relative humidity, and also air motion. So these three criteria we need to control in order to acquire the human comfort. So the range of the temperature, dry bulb temperature, which are comfortable for the human, is around 22 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is around 40% to 60%, and the air motion is around 50 meter per minute. So we can achieve this by using air conditioning system. And as you can see, this figure maybe a little too comfortable. So the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is around 50%, and the air motion is 50 meter per minute. So this is the range of the human comfort region. So if you want to design the air conditioning system, we should control it around this figure, which is the dry bulb around 22 to 27, relative humidity around 40 to 60, and the air motion around 50 meter per minute. This is the end of part 5 for chapter 6. Thank you, and hopefully you enjoy my video.